guys! Welcome back to our science class. Congratulations for finishing the week 1 and 2. We are on our quarter 2, week 3 with our pivot module. Our lesson is all about menstrual cycle. Again, our lesson for this week is all about menstrual cycle. Okay class, this picture is all about phases of menstrual cycle. Okay, so what is menstrual cycle? As boys and girls grow, there are many changes that occur in terms of physical, social, and emotional aspects. During puberty stage, boys grow faster than girls. They develop a low-pitched voice, broader shoulder, and Adam's apple. Hair begins to grow underarms, on the face, and genitals. The testes starts to produce sperm. On the other hand, girls grow taller. They develop bigger breasts and hips. Also, pubic hairs start to grow. At this stage, ovaries begin to produce egg cells that becomes the reason of having menstruation monthly. How eggs are produced and mature, and what happens to them during menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle only happens among girls, take note of that, and begins during puberty or menarche. It is a monthly period of egg maturation and pregnancy preparation along with the production of different hormones. Menstruation is the stage of the menstrual cycle, usually lasting from 3 to 5 days, when fertilization does not occur. During this process, blood, some uterine tissue, and the unfertilized egg are eliminated from the uterus through vagina. At the right side is a figure of a female reproductive organ. Can you draw a line showing the path of the egg from starting point to end undergoing menstrual cycle? Okay, so let's try. From here, this is the path of the egg from starting point to end. So from here, it goes here, down here, and then it flushes out through the vagina. So here's the illustration about the egg or the path of the egg from starting point to end undergoing a menstrual cycle. So look at the video. Here's the egg going down there. Okay. Generally, menstrual cycle has four major stages. These are number 1, follicular stage. In this stage, hormones are produced to stimulate the growth of ovarian follicles and the thickening of endometrium. Look at this illustration. Number 2, ovulation. In the process, another hormone causes the follicle to rupture and release an egg, also called as oocyte. This one. Look at this illustration. And this is the ovulation period. Number 3 is the luteal stage. In this stage, hormones act on the uterus for the preparation for pregnancy. So this is the luteal phase. Follicular, ovulation, and luteal. And for the next one, menstruation number 4. In this stage, the thick lining of the uterus will slough off and will be eliminated from the body as menstrual blood. Okay, this is now the monthly period of the girls. Okay. Based on the different stages of menstrual cycle, why do you think girls have their monthly period? So let's see for the next. If an egg is not fertilized, the uterus comes off its lining in the form of blood. This is typically called monthly period. Girls can count the days in their cycle to help them know when to expect their next period. This is useful so that they can prepare some pads in their bag. Okay. To be reminded about the occurrence of menstruation, counting the days is important. For instance, girls may mark the first day of bleeding on the calendar. It takes 5 days to complete menstruation. Okay, here's the example. Here's the example of one cycle or 1 month. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 may be your menstruation days. And the color green ones are your fertile days, and the violet or purple ones are your infertile days until you reach another menstruation day. Okay, this is your menstrual cycle. Normally, girls bleed in 5 days during menstruation. Women have different menstrual cycle period. For instance, most women have 29 days to complete the cycle. In general, menstrual cycle may be as short as 21 days and may last up to 36 days. Going below or beyond this number of days mean that a woman is experiencing irregular menstruation. Here's another days of average menstrual cycle. The first menstruation is called Menarche and occurred during puberty stage. At the age of 40 and beyond, menstrual cycle stops. This stage is called menopause. When woman gets its menopausal stage, she is no longer capable of conceiving a baby. So here's an illustration of menopause. This is the younger ovary and the older ovaries. So here we are on our learning task. Please refer to your PIVOT4A modules for the learning tasks that you have. Okay, if you learned something from this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more video lessons. You can also comment down below your questions, your suggestions, and everything so that I can answer you back. Thank you. Thank you for listening.